If you're an artist and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your artwork, you certainly are in the right space. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to build a website for your business on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites as yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So usually I would head to the top and search for my markets, but I can actually see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us with the information. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name or my artist name, as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world you're an artist, where your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service because we have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites generate a simple website for our business with the information we've just put in. That's all we needed to do. And look at that, it's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. As you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely stunning images of all the beautiful artwork you have created. You want to showcase it on your website. You can do that. You can make changes to this template. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any sort of coding or web skills, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top, click on update section. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address, and I want to make sure that is displayed on my email, on my website, so my customers can reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. Let's pop our phone number in over here, which is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, that's if you have one, that is. Maybe you don't have a physical location where customers can visit, like a studio. However, if you do have a physical location, pop it in here. When your customers click on that address, when your website is live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. If you have a logo for your business, go ahead and head over to update logo. If you really want a logo and you don't have a huge budget, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, frames, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save, and over here on the right, you can make it bigger and smaller if need be. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors. If you want to change them to go with your business branding a little bit better, go ahead and click on that little paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Plenty for you to choose from. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. As you can see, all completely free to use. Under update content, you can change the content that was pre-written for you, the copy to suit your business needs. Buttons can all link to various places. Click on choose link. You can link to another website, maybe an Etsy store if you sell your artwork online. Otherwise, eBay perhaps. Otherwise, you can link to an action and upload a PDF file as well, which is a great option to upload maybe a catalog of your various services and different artwork you have completed. In the last section is where your customers can reach out to you easily. through the lead form. All they need to just put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business to make your branding and your business look even more professional, trustworthy, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on I already have a domain so you can set it all up. If you don't have a domain yet, go ahead and click on this button because you can purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here, you're in your Marty dashboard is where you can find the leads from that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business Marty success.